Boleh pi baro shka thup khubor jongi kadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaga sngi kilong. Yo jingerap kinong rap ka saipung CNR di blok arpu saulak khandai pusan hajar tengka. Penlong ka Saint Dominic Savius Parish Maulai ya ka jingrap pendon buram ya ka Yukharis bakhoy. Pelat ka Chief Secretary ka kong RV Suchiang ya ki kot ka samla napi risa kordor taryang. Bat pejak ka jingra khe ka sngi Valentine's Day ha Shillong. Valentine ne phaish ki Khubor ki bakham bania. Hene ka sngi ka khat saw trek urampang hajar ar la penlong ya ka jinge kendu lang balat ai kerteng ka mela kam health cam ha ka baya day bat ka focus kumjuru ka self help group mela hasnong later ke ka bahap hapo ka saipung CNR di block East Jante Hills District. Hakani ka mela la wan ya shimbentaru da ki self help group ba pher kumjuru kitna kam sorkar. Haba ajingkran hakani ka sngi menteri rangba korat ke sangma ulapan pau ka jingkmen ba kilong kumi lengba ka self help group kila sedang ban yeng halaki jong kikjat amshu ban shania tang hakilong kpa na lor ba ka jingdon ka NRLM jong ka sarkar India ru kala kershan bhai ki kenthei hapo ka jilla haba pensngo ya ka thong trikam jong ka sarkar uong ru bana ka daw ka jingshem shitom kinong rap kenthei hakisnam baladam kumta kumshi benta banyarap eki ka sarkar kala sedang ya ka fokus da ka ba ai san hajar tengka shabaro kilong yeng nong rap ka jella harangkat ka jingbu kendon bat kani kala kenjo kumba ars pak lur tengka ula samru eki check bala kenjo arpho saw point khandai pusan lak tengka shaki saw pho hendriu tili ki producers group jang ka saipung CNR di block bat lai pho lak tengka shaki hendriu pho tili ki self help group hapo ka community investment fund ka NRLM yakni ka pisa sala ban pendan kam ha ka kamrap kamryang nadu ban thet sambai sebo kabai kali bat kiwe gi jingdon kam hakani ka sngi laidon langru ukrmen shilla menteri badai pet yakatanat social welfare udc ka East Jantia u Abilash Baranwal USP ka East Jantia Udipak Kumar Palecha IPS ki officer na kitnat trekam ba pher bat kiwe.
That is why we have started this program called Focus. So today there are two parts to the program. One is Focus program, the second is the NRLM program. So we started this Focus program with the objective of giving direct benefit to 4.5 lakh families that depend on agriculture in our state. And we decided as a government that we will give 5,000 rupees to each family. The 4.5 lakh families, over 200 crores will be released directly to the farmers so that they can get some financial help and support from the government. But there was a simple rider on it, that this money that we give will not be given in the personal accounts. Because sometimes we have a habit that if it is given in the personal account, we may use it for personal work. So we decided to form producer groups. And the idea was very simple. If there are 10 members in a producer group, you will get 50,000 rupees. If there are 20 members in the producer group, you will get 1 lakh rupees as a group. And every family that is into farming will get 5,000 rupees per family. But that can go only to 1 member of the house, not to 2 members or 3 members. So these are the only 2 conditions that we put. And based on this, today we have started distributing different checks to different producer groups. Today, we will be distributing 25 lakh rupees to 46 groups from different parts of the block. And I'm happy to inform you that within this calendar year, before December, we should be able to distribute over 150 crores to the different producer groups. So therefore, I encourage all of you to take benefit and advantage of this scheme so that you can get this 5,000 rupees that the government of Meghalaya is giving from its own resources. Now, this money that we give to the producer groups can be used by the groups for whatever purpose that you want. And please remember, this is not a loan. This is a subsidy which we're giving to you. You do not have to pay us back. And so when you get this money into your producer group account, if you are 20 members, you will get 1 lakh rupees. You can use this money to buy seeds at the right time, because sometimes agriculture department may delay in releasing the seed subsidy. You can use this money to buy pipes so that you can water your plants. You can use this money to hire vehicles to transport your finished products to the market. For small working capital needs that you may have as farmers or as producer groups, you can use these funds and this amount we're giving to you after discussion with your president, secretary and members for the benefit of the producer groups. So this is the first program that we're having, and as I said, we will be distributing checks.
Kasin Dominic Savius Parish Maulai jangka Balang Catholic hinin kasngi kala penlong ya ka jingra pendon buram ya ka Eucharis bakut lengba kidong baper jangka Maulai. Upadar Paul Ulingkot u provincial jangka Shillong province uralong unong ra ya ka Eucharis. Kani ka jingat procession kala sedang na parish bat yat lengba kidong baper bat penkut pat hakani hi ka juk ka jaka. La penkut ya kani ka ngu ka dam mani ble Eucharis dakale nyam jingkurku. Hakani ka jingat procession na ya shimbentar ki padar ki sistar ki reuniam bat ki para banget harengkat ka duai ka pirat ki ukpa bakut upop Francis ki bishop bat ya baro ki nong syarai balang. Hagapor men step la penlong ya ka jingknya ya ka mas bakut kum shibenta jong ka jingat procession Eucharis u padar Paul ulengkot ula pen menta ya ka mas bakut rengkat bat ki wei pat ki lengdo. Hagapor mas u padar Paul ulengkot ula ai ki kentin sneng ki kentin kentu ya ki para banget.
Pagdutinya kicinya wala kiya pro kena kin samipat nama kire ki banget how to play ki banget how to lie Jesus Christ kadakin kebau Paulus ora mangi ngem choto lara mangi ngem ya ka jimi pat Jesus ngem de yau Yesu akasin kabalingkong hakarta ka bakano Pila daptakan o jobi. Chipo. Amen kamot ngangay hindi nga manjo.
Ka Chief Secretary jaka Meghalaya ka Kong RV Suchiang mentakasngi kala pelat pat baik ki Sautli ki kot balatho da ka samla napi risa kodor taryang hakasi National Dorbar Hall hamau khar Shillong. Ki kot bakani ka samla kala tho kilong hakaktin pareng but ki kerteng jong kini ki kot kilong The Canvas of Time, Ink Spilled Pages, Tug of War but Anne Jones, Dr. BPS Toy balapen kala da ka napi risa kodor taryang.
So the canvas of time, which came out in September, I would like to underscore on the concept of time. And that change is always an accompaniment of time. So the canvas of time is dedicated to every child whose inner voice is drowned out by the external voices, which beckons them not to be afraid to listen to what their heart throbs passionately for. So this canvas of time, it draws our attention to the well-worn phrase often repeated, the youth are the future, which provokes a compelling question of whether or not we allow the little spark within a child to grow into this blazing passion for a dream, or do we snuff out the spark insofar that the little child will be afraid by the sound of his or her own voice. So this beckons the adult leaders or the society at large not to underestimate the vision of a child or the dream, because these sparks, when rekindled, this thirst for knowledge or the passion for any dream can pave the way for these children to turn into thinking adults and responsible youth who will be the future. Change is always an accompaniment of time.
Those who dream by day are cognizant of many things which escape those people who dream by night. So imagination is the first step towards creativity. And creativity inspires, and brings about an inspiration. You do something. Creativity is when you do something, which inspires other people. It is the ability to express oneself, in the media of art, be it painting, poetry, writing, sculpting, fashion. So it brings out that creativity in you. Being I feel that being amongst people who are so creative, it rubs on you also.
Kajing rakhi kasngi Valentine's Day. Kasngi banya penpau ya kajing ye eid markeliang kabala sedang ban shongshit ha Meghalaya bat khamtam hagani ka stor Shillong kala shathe pejano da kajing wan joka klam COVID-19. Kani kajing rakhi kasngi Valentine's Day kala sedang ban kekle biang menta kasngi henre kamlong shu kum hagitu kisnam shua ban wan leng shop ka klam ya ka Jylla. Kila don katu kani kijaka bala penkre banya le kemen les ngobha hagani kasngi.
ग्रेट सो आज का दिन को आपको पता है कि ये आज का दिन को प्यार का दिन है तो आपको क्या आपका तरफ से क्या लगता है आपको क्या बोलने मांगता है सब लोग को क्या बोलने मांगता है आपको प्यार का दिन में
प्यार का दिन में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि सब मिल बांट के प्यार को सेलिब्रेट करें एक दूसरे को और प्यार में सभी दिन बिताए और अगले साल तक वैलेंटाइंस डे ऐसे मनाएं जैसे आज का दिन खुशी का दिन है इसी तरह और इस अदर प्यार रहे दिल में सबके दिल में और इसी तरह खुशी हंसी खुशी से सेलिब्रेट करें ये कहना चाहूँगी और उससे इससे ज़्यादा तो मुझे नहीं पता तो मैं यही जानती हूँ कि वैलेंटाइंस डे एक प्यार का दिन है आप लोग के साथ बिताए और अगर थोड़ा उससे पहले वैलेंटाइंस दिन के पहले अगर कुछ नोक झोंक भी था तो आज के दिन पूरा वो रिलैक्स हो जाना चाहिए
सही है
करना चाहिए तो यही मैं देना चाहूँगी वैलेंटाइंस डे के ऊपर और हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे ऑल ऑफ यू
हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे थैंक यू Would you like to give us a message on this Valentine's Day? Any message, please? About Valentine's Day? Anything. So what do you think about Valentine's Day? Like today you're having a good time with your friends.
Yeah,
so
having a good time with my friends
and then what do you think do we need to spread more love in this world?
Yeah, we should.
We should, right? Yeah. Because love brings unity, right? So yes. So in a country like India, which we consider a secular state, right? So don't you think love is a very important role?
Love is important. Yeah, it's very important. It's important because we need some unity.
Yes.
Not in this country only, in every country.
Yes. Thank you.
How is the sale going on this year?
Very bad. It's become very less. Because of the pandemic, a lot of restrictions are there coming to Shillong. So this has caused a very great dip in the sales.
Okay.
It is only half, 50% less.
pada kitu ki khubor ngila poi syaka bakut tat hadu bangin daya syambiang khublei shibun